In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Thinkorswim Scanner Tools. To get started, head over to Thinkorswim Web and log into your account. Once you're inside the platform, click on the Scan tab, then choose Stock Hacker. This opens the scanner workspace where you can build custom searches using different filters and conditions. Think of this as the control center for finding stocks that match the exact criteria you're looking for. At the top of the scanner, the first thing you'll want to choose is your scan universe. This tells Thinkorswim where to search. Common options include all stocks, the S&P 500, NASDAQ stocks, NYSE stocks, or even one of your personal watch lists. If you're new to scanning, the S&P 500 is a great place to begin because it keeps the list manageable while still giving you well-known companies to work with. Next, start adding basic filters. Click Add Filter and begin narrowing down the list. A common first filter is stock price. For example, setting the last price above $10 helps remove very low price stocks. You can also add an average volume filter, such as above 500,000 shares, which helps focus on stocks with better liquidity. Another useful filter is market capitalization. Setting market cap above $1 billion can help you focus on larger, more established companies. After that, you can add technical filters by choosing Add Filter, then Study. This is where the scanner becomes much more powerful. Popular technical setups include looking for stocks trading above their 50-day moving average, or finding situations where the 20 EMA is above the 50 EMA. You can also scan using RSI, such as RSI above 50 for bullish strength or RSI below 30 for oversold conditions. MACD crossover signals are another popular choice for traders watching momentum shifts. If you want to look for breakout opportunities, add a study filter and set conditions such as the close being above the 20-day high, along with volume above average. This type of scan can help identify stocks that are pushing into new highs